Hello students, welcome to the online classes of Junior Vidyalaya. We are learning chapter number 3, SCF and LCM. In the last video, we have learned prime numbers, twin prime numbers, co-prime numbers, complex numbers. Okay. And now, this video, we are learning factorizing a number into its prime factors. It means a number is given, that is composite number, and it is written in the product of prime numbers. Product of prime numbers is called factorizing the number. It means the given number is written into as the product of the or multiplication form of the prime factors. Okay. Let's see. First example 20. Okay. How do we factorize? There are two methods. It is horizontal method and it is vertical. For factorizing the number, we have known the divisibility test. By divisibility test by 2, 3, 5, like this way, or 11. This test you have learned in the last year. Now, what is the test of 2? If the digit in the unit place is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. If any number its unit place is there 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, among these one digit appears, that number is divisible by 2. It can divide it by 2. What is the test of 3? 3, the adding the digits. The sum of the digit is the multiple of 3. It means if we add these two digits, 6 plus 3 is equal to 9, and 9 is the multiple of 3. It means it comes in the table of 3, and therefore 63 is divided by 3. This is the test of divisibility by 3. Are you getting? Sum of the digits. Sum of the digit is the multiple of 3, then that number is divisible by 3. What is the test of 5? If in the unit place there is 0 or 5, if in the given number and its unit place has 0 or 5, 0 or 5 comes, then that number is divisible by 5. Like 10, 20, 25, 45, 1025, 20,000, like this. Because in the unit place there is 0 or 5. 0 or 5. Therefore, all these numbers are divisible by 5. These are the tests. Here you have learned in the last year, if in the unit place 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, among the digit comes, then one digit comes, then it is divisible by 2. If the sum of the digits is multiple of 3, then that number is divisible by 3. If in the given number 0 or 5 comes in its unit place, then that number is divisible by 5. Now while factorizing, we have to use the test of 2, 3 and 5. Now here in the unit place there is 0, therefore we can use the test of 2 or 5, but smallest prime number is 2, therefore first we use the number 2. 2 1 2 and it is 0. Again there is 0, therefore again we can apply the test of 2. 2 5 10. Now here is 5. 5 is prime number because we have to write in the multiplication form of prime numbers. 5 1 5. Then we can write here like this way: 2 into 10, then 2 into 2 into 5. Now verify. 5 2 10, 10 2 20. Okay. Next example 24. Again vertically. In unit place there is 4, therefore we can divide 24 by 2. 2 1 2, 2 2 4. Again in the unit place there is 2, therefore 2 6 12. 6 is in the unit place, therefore again 2 2 3 6. 3 is the prime number, therefore 3 1 3. We will write down like this way: 2 into 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 6, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 3 2 6, 6 2 12, 8 2 24. Like this way we can factorize the number. Third, we will see here. $250. Now, at every time you need not to use the vertical method. You have to use the horizontal method. But again, I write here in vertically also. How? Look here in the unit place there is 0, therefore this number is divided by 2. Here I write 2. Then 2 1 2. Here also 2 1 2. Then remain 50. Okay. 2 2 4. 2 2 4. 4. 5 minus 4 remain 1, became 10. Here also became 10. 2 5 10. 2 5 10. Like this way. Now, in the unit place there is 5. Therefore, we can use the test of divisibility by 5. But before 5, we verify if 125 is divisible by 3 or not. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 5 8. Not. Therefore, we apply the divisibility test by 5. 5 2 are 10. Carry 2 becomes 25. 5 5 are 25. Here also 2 into 5. Now, because here replace it in the unit place there is 5. Therefore, use the test of divisibility by 2. 5 2 are 10. Remain 2 becomes 25. 5 5 are 25. But 25 is not a prime number. Therefore, again in the unit place there is 5. We can use the divisibility by test. 5 5 5 are 25. Here write 2 into 5. 25 is not a prime number. Therefore, we use the test of divisibility by 5, 5, 5 चा 25. 5 is prime number, therefore 1. Now verify. 5, 5 चा 25, 25 1 चा 125, 125 2 चा 250. Like this way. Now in the further examples we use only horizontal method. Okay. 45. In the unit place there is 5. It means we can't use here the divisibility test by 2. Then after 2 there is prime number 3. Use the test of 3. 4 plus 5 9. 9 is the multiple of 3. Therefore use the divisibility test by 3. 3 1 जा 3. 3 1 जा 3. Remain 1. Carry here becomes 15. Now say the table up to 15. 3 5 is 15. Okay. Now 3 into. Again in the unit place there is 5. Now again can we use the divisibility test by 3? First we will add the digits. 1 plus 5 6. 6 is the multiple of 3. Therefore again we can use the test of 3. 3 say the table 3 up to 53. 5 are 50. 5 is prime number. Now verify. 5 3s are 15. 15 3s are 45. These are the prime factors. Again, are you getting? Then fifth 63. If this number is divided by 2, no, because there is not 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Then is it divisible by 3? Sum of the digits. 6 plus 3 9. Yes, we can divide 63 by 3. Therefore use 3. 3 2s are 6. Now 3 1s are 3. Again 3. Can we use again test of 3? 2 plus 1 3. Yes. Therefore 3 7s are 21. 7 3s are 21. 21 3s are 63. These are the prime factors. Again we will see example 170. 170 divided by 2? No, because there is not 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Then after that 2, the prime number is 3. Add the digits. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 7 9. Yes, we can use the test of divisibility by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Therefore we write here 3 3s are 9. 11 minus 3 carry 2 becomes 27. 3 9s are 27. 3. Can we again use 3? 3 plus 9 12. Yes, 3. Now 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9. 13 is a prime number. These are the prime factors. Like this way we can factorize the given number in the prime factor. Okay, first use both methods, horizontal and vertical. After practicing, use only horizontal. Here is practice set 11 for you is the homework. Practice set 11 is the homework for you, and write down first all these in your copies and then solve the practice set 11. Okay, in the next video we will see the another topic. Thank you.